When you're new to WordPress and open up that admin dashboard for the first time, it is hard to know where to start. All those menus and options can be pretty confusing. This video will clearly break down the dashboard and menus so you can get started more confidently. This is the dashboard when you first log in. There's a menu on the left, which covers everything and is very useful. We'll come back to this. Then there's a section in the middle. This is where you can see or access various things at a glance. You can click here to create a new page. Or click here to customize the look of your website. Or click here to change the font, colors, and layout. Further down, the most useful thing is the site health status. Click this to see any critical issues and recommendations. The website theme and plugins you choose later may also display information in this section. You may feel it gets cluttered, so you can choose what is displayed here. Just click Screen Options in the top right corner to access the choices. Uncheck anything here that you don't want to be displayed below. Okay, so next is the menu on the left, which is where I usually go to get things done. First is Updates, and if there are any to be done, a red circle with a number will appear. The number shows how many updates there are available. Types of updates include WordPress version, plugins, and themes. Next is Posts. Here you can create blog posts for news and updates. In the Media section, you can upload images, videos, and PDFs. In the Pages section, you can access and create new pages for your website. If you decide to leave comments enabled, you can access them here. Appearance is a useful section. Here you can change your website theme and also edit the design. The Plugins area will show a list of plugins installed on your website. There will be a couple of plugins automatically added, but you can add more to increase the functionality of your website. The Users section lists the people you have given website access to and their user role. The Tools section is best left alone until you are more experienced with editing WordPress and coding. The Settings section covers such things as your site title, website address, admin email, time zone, how your homepage displays, managing comments, permalinks, and privacy. It's an important section to explore. Well, there you have it. A quick overview of the WordPress dashboard to help you get started. If it has helped you, please like the video, add a comment or subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much.